What's going on with the truckers? I just want you guys to see this leaked video of what actually happened that day in Columbus, Ohio. Basically, last week, a state trooper of 3 years experience, Jared Fitzpatrick, was on the I-70, and 3 o'clock in the morning, he's going through traffic. Next thing you know, he hits in the back of a semi-truck, and he hits a Freightliner tractor trailer. Mr. Thomas Irvin, 58 years old. The truck driver was okay, and they say that Jared Fitzpatrick will make a full recovery. But here's the leaked dash cam of the troopers inside to see what is really going on here, because a lot of people have been making speculations, but here's the actual video. It was just released moments ago. Watch this. But the biggest part about this is everybody has to pay attention, even state troopers. But here it is, mother truckers, and I hope that the state trooper makes a full recovery. But hey, we gotta stay off our phones, we gotta stay off our tablets, we gotta focus on the road, and that goes for everybody. But mother truckers, check out this video, and it's just an educational video just to let people know that these things happen. I'm glad the truck driver's okay, and I'm glad the state trooper is making a full recovery.